everyone, it's Susan and Luke here with the Outdoor Gear Review, and today we are showing you all our DIY toilet system. This is our overlanding toilet, and we get a lot of questions and comments about this system.
With our system that we put together, it is ultra portable and it takes up a very small amount of space inside of your vehicle. And during the time of COVID and whatnot, this allows you to travel around, and all you have to do is find a place to stop and you can use the bathroom. Now with us, we actually keep this behind the driver's seat and it works so incredibly well. The windows are super tinted and nobody knows what you're doing. Now also with our system, there's no smell, there's no odor, and also it's very sanitary. So we are going over every single component here and what works for us.
With our system, you need less than $50 to get started with your own DIY toilet. We will show you guys how this fits into the back of our truck, but this would also fit into the floorboard of even a car. So like Luke said, it's very portable. You can sit it in the back seat. You may not be able to use it if it's sitting in a floorboard, like we can use this in the back seat of our truck, but we'll show you guys how it works, and you can always just take it out, open your car door, and have some privacy and use it. So the first part of the kit that you need is a milk crate. I found this on Amazon for about $10. I'm sure you can pick these up at almost any store. It is a basic plastic milk crate. What this does for this system is it provides a sturdy base, so you don't have to worry about the toilet bucket moving around. It also makes it very portable. You can just grab and go. Next part of the kit is obviously the toilet bucket. We found this Camco toilet bucket on Amazon for $25. What you get is a basic 5-gallon bucket with a snap-on toilet lid. So it does snap onto the bucket, and it's just a basic toilet seat. Nothing special.
Next we have the bags themselves, and these are contractor bags. This comes from a company called Ultrasac, and we bought these in bulk for about $15. Now these are short in size and they fit the bucket perfectly. If you're going to use a bag, and you will want to, make sure to get very heavy duty bags. Contractor bags work best. Compactor bags do not work at all. Trust me, I know, unfortunately. And trash bags in general are not watertight enough, but these contractor bags are. So we've taken a look at the milk crate, we've taken a look at the bucket, the bag. Now let's talk about what goes inside of the bag, because that is one of the most important parts. If you do this wrong, you're going to have some smells, some odors. If you do it right, absolutely nothing.
That's right. So we don't want this to be gross. So our system is that once you put in your contractor bag as your liner, we use cat litter. So what we did was we bought a huge bulk container of cat litter. I think we paid $10 for it. And then we divided it up into small Ziploc bags. So the amount you see here is what we will use each time we change our bag. And we simply put the bag in and put the kitty litter at the bottom and just kind of spread it out. The next thing that we throw in, and this is the most important part of our system, this is Reliance Bio Blue Toilet Deodorant. You can buy a 12-pack on Amazon for about $11. And these little blue packs are miracles.
They're amazing. Think of a porta potty and the blue liquid in the bottom. That's what you have here. These are water activated, moisture activated. They smell good and they completely eliminate all odors. It's amazing.
They do. So the kitty litter, you throw one of these in and then you're good to go. I will have to say, if you don't plan on peeing in your bucket, you will need to pour a little bit of water in there to activate this. It's not going to get activated unless there's some moisture. So what we did with our system is you use the bucket so many times, it would usually be a day at a time. We even pushed it to 2 days and we still had no odor, no issues. You will get a little bit of condensation on the lid of this thing. That's normal. You've got heat, you've got moisture rising, things are going to condensate inside the bucket.
Yeah, so before you use it, open it up, dry it off. It's just water, right?
Yeah, so no big deal. So what the kitty litter will do is help make things more solid. You've got the deodorant to help with the odor, and as you're traveling, you know, every day or so, you're going to empty this and throw it away. And I know some people are going, you know, that's gross, but it's no different than people throwing away their pet waste when they pick them up. People dispose of baby diapers. It's no different. Then what you want to do is just quickly wipe down your toilet. Have some disinfecting wipes, disinfecting spray, Lysol, whatever you choose to use. That added step will help keep this fresh and sanitary.
With the cat litter, it does prevent everything in the bucket from sloshing around. That's important. You're going over bumps, whatnot. You don't want stuff splattering everywhere. That prevents that from happening. It works perfectly.
After you use the bucket, you can put cat litter down after each use. You can make it work. You know, like I said, we used it for probably 2.5 days at the longest without changing it. And we still had no odor inside of our truck.
Yeah, it really is impressive. So come over here, my friends. I'll show you all how this works inside of our truck.
So as you can see, we have enough space in the back seat area. We have our seats folded up and the toilet bucket sits right here. Because of the sturdy base, it doesn't really move, and there's actually plenty of space for you to get in, sit down on it, do whatever you need to do.
In the door, this is where we keep all of our cleaning up supplies. We have Lysol, wipes, and toilet paper. Now, as you can see, it's in a Ziploc bag, and that's for a reason. What if it's raining and you open this door? You don't have to worry about anything getting wet. And that right there is our system. So for around 50 bucks, that's the system. And it works so incredibly well. You don't have to worry about digging holes. You don't have to worry about going to rest areas, gas stations, or anything like that. You can use the bathroom from the privacy of your vehicle, and it's completely sanitary. Even if you're going out and you're doing some camping, it is so much better than having to dig a hole and bury stuff. Especially when you consider like how many people are hitting the road today. How many people are out car camping. Think about all of that waste that's being left behind. It is a problem, and that solves it.
This is also a good option if you're a lady and you're unsure about camping because you don't like to squat in the woods. So you can go car camping with your husband or boyfriend or just a group of friends. Have one of these in the car and you're good to go.
So there you have it, everyone. That is our system, and it really has proven itself to be an essential part of our kit, our overlanding kit. We can go anywhere, stop for a minimal amount of time. You don't have to worry about close contact with other people, viruses and whatnot. This system rocks, and we've used this all the way across the country and back, and we love it. And like Susan said, less than 50 bucks. If you have any questions, email us. Make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts about this. This works for us. It works very well. Thumbs up. Thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
All right. Strength and honor, everybody. Take care. See ya.
Bye.